Have you ever dreamt of being your own boss and making serious cash? Like, really serious cash? And what if I told you it could be done in just 4 simple steps? Today, we're diving into the secrets of online success. Forget everything you think you know. We're about to crush your online income goals. Step 1. Affiliate marketing. Choosing a profitable niche is the foundation of successful affiliate marketing. Here's how to do it properly. 1. Identify your passions and skills. Make a list of topics you're knowledgeable about and genuinely enjoy. Consider your hobbies, past experiences, or areas where you have strong problem-solving abilities. 2. Research profitable niches. Look for niches with a good balance of search volume. People are actively searching for information related to the niche. Use keyword research tools like Google Trends or Ahrefs to gauge search volume. Affiliate programs. Companies offering affiliate programs in your niche exist. Explore marketplaces like ShareSale or Commission Junction to find relevant programs. Competition. While some competition indicates a profitable niche, avoid oversaturated markets dominated by established players. 3. Target sub-niches. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Within your chosen niche, identify a sub-niche with a more focused audience. For example, instead of just fitness, target yoga for beginners or home gym equipment reviews. 4. Analyze niche profitability. Look for recurring needs or high-ticket products within your sub-niche. People are more likely to spend money on things they need regularly or consider valuable investments. Bonus tip: validate your niche choice. Once you have a few sub-niche options, conduct surveys or engage in online communities related to those niches. Gauge audience interest and identify their specific needs and pain points. This will help you tailor your content strategy and product recommendations effectively. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to selecting a profitable niche that sets you up for success in affiliate marketing. Remember, the goal is to find a sweet spot where your passion intersects with a market opportunity. Step 2. Digital downloads. While guaranteeing an income of $1,345 weekly isn't possible without considering various factors, here's a detailed breakdown of Step 2. Digital downloads. Focusing on strategies to maximize your earning potential. Crafting high-value digital downloads. Identify your niche and expertise. What are you knowledgeable about? What problems can you solve or what interests can you cater to? Niche down to a specific target audience. For example, instead of fitness, focus on home workout routines for busy moms. Brainstorm profitable download ideas. Consider your audience's needs and what format would be most helpful. Examples: ebooks. Create in-depth guides, tutorials, or workbooks on your niche topic. Printables. Design planners, checklists, cheat sheets, or templates that people can use daily. Templates. Offer website design templates, social media graphics templates, or project management templates. Stock photos. If you have design skills, create and sell royalty-free stock photos or vector graphics relevant to your niche. Building a strong foundation for sales. Market research. What types of digital downloads are already selling well in your niche? Analyze competitor offerings to identify potential gaps and opportunities to differentiate yourself. Quality and design. Invest time creating well-structured, informative content with a professional look and feel. Use high-quality visuals and clear formatting, and proofread meticulously for errors. Pricing strategy. Research common pricing points for similar products in your niche. Consider offering tiered pricing options. You can start with lower prices to build a customer base and gradually increase prices as your reputation grows. Effective marketing and sales channels. Create a dedicated sales platform. Build a user-friendly website with a clear sales funnel for your digital downloads. Alternatively, leverage established platforms like Etsy or Shopify to sell your products. Content marketing. Promote your digital downloads through valuable niche-related content like blog posts, social media shares, or YouTube videos. Offer free samples or teasers of your paid content to entice potential buyers. Email marketing. Build an email list by offering lead magnets, free guides or discounts, in exchange for email addresses. Segment your list based on interests and send targeted email campaigns promoting your downloads. Affiliate marketing. Partner with complementary businesses or influencers in your niche to promote your downloads in exchange for a commission on sales. Combining high-quality content, strategic marketing, and effective sales channels can significantly increase your chances of earning a substantial income through digital downloads. It requires consistent effort and continuous improvement, but the potential rewards can be significant. Step 3. Email list building. Building a targeted email list is an investment in your online success. It allows you to nurture relationships and promote products or services directly to a highly engaged audience. Here's a breakdown of steps to build an effective list and earn $13.45 weekly. 1. Define your ideal subscriber. Who are you trying to reach? Understanding your target audience's demographics, interests, and pain points is crucial. What value will you provide them? Align your content with their needs and offer solutions they're actively seeking. 2. Craft compelling lead magnets. Free resources. Offer valuable content like ebooks, cheat sheets, checklists, or video tutorials in exchange for email addresses. Make these resources highly relevant to your niche and solve a specific problem for your audience. Webinars or challenges. Host free webinars or online challenges that provide valuable insights or teach them a new skill. Promote them via social media and your website. 3. Nurture your email list. Segment your audience. Categorize subscribers based on interests and demographics to send targeted email campaigns. This ensures your emails are relevant and increase engagement. Provide consistent value. Send informative and engaging emails that educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. Promote offers. Once you've established trust and provided value, promote your products, services, or relevant affiliate offers. Don't overwhelm them with promotional emails. Balance value and monetization. 5. Track and analyze. Monitor key metrics. Track open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribe rates to understand how your audience interacts with your emails. Test and refine. Continually A/B test different subject lines, email formats, and content to optimize your campaigns for higher engagement and conversions. Building a high-quality email list takes time and consistent effort. Focus on building trust, providing value, and segmenting your audience for maximum impact on your earning potential. Step 4. Niche websites. While reaching $1,345 weekly takes significant effort, a well-built niche website can become a powerful source of online income. Here's a step-by-step guide to building it properly. 1. Find your golden niche. Passion and profit. Identify a niche you're genuinely interested in and that also has to earn potential. Tools like Google Trends and affiliate marketing platforms can help you gauge search volume and product opportunities. Target the right audience. Refine your niche to a specific subcategory with a passionate but not overly competitive audience. Competition check. Research existing websites in your niche. Analyze their content, strengths, and weaknesses. Look for gaps you can fill by offering unique value or a fresh perspective. 2. Content is king and queen. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify relevant keywords with good search volume and low competition. Develop a content calendar focusing on informative, engaging blog posts, articles, or guides that target your chosen keywords. Publish fresh content regularly to keep your audience engaged and improve search engine ranking. To accommodate diverse learning styles, experiment with different content formats, such as video tutorials, infographics, or downloadable resources. 3. Monetization strategies. Once you have good traffic, consider displaying targeted ads through Google AdSense or other ad networks. However, prioritize user experience and avoid overwhelming your website with ads. Partner with companies relevant to your niche and promote their products through strategically placed affiliate links within your content. If you have expertise, consider creating and selling ebooks, online courses, or other digital downloads directly through your website. 4. Promote and grow. SEO optimization. Optimize your website and content for search engines by incorporating relevant keywords throughout your pages. Backlinks from reputable websites can also significantly boost your ranking. Social media marketing. Promote your website and content on relevant social media platforms. Build a community and interact with your audience. Competition check. Offer valuable incentives to build an email list. Send targeted email campaigns to promote new content, product launches, or special offers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments what other online income strategies you'd like to see covered. And the most critical step? Smash that subscribe button to stay notified of fresh content every week that will help you crush your online goals.